Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we're putting a new aftermarket diffuser on the back of my Lexus IS. I did already put one on, and it's kind of like a, I wanted to have like gloss black all the way around the trim, around the whole car. So I got a gloss black one, thinking it was gonna be black plastic. However, it's like a black, like dense rubber. And I really wanted to like put vinyl on the fins, and vinyl won't stick because it's like a rubber. So I got a brand new one here. It's from China, so we'll see how that works, but apparently it's carbon fiber. I'm not really expecting it to be like legit carbon fiber, but we'll see. All the carbon fiber I have in the car right now, such as like the duckbill, shark fin, like the mirror covers, that kind of stuff is like legit carbon fiber. I did buy the stuff on Amazon. There's gonna be links in the description down below, so you guys can go pick up all the other accessories, but carbon fiber from Taiwan is always pretty legit. So let's see how the China carbon fiber goes. So we're gonna do an unboxing of the new diffuser, and if everything goes as planned, I'm gonna be able to get this thing mounted on the back of the car, swap out the other one, and then line the edges with some vinyl. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you can see like there's like Chinese writing here on the box. It does look like it has been opened and then retaped up. I don't know if maybe that was like customs, because there's some shipping labels underneath here, some Chinese characters, unless they shipped it somewhere in the US and then repackaged it and then shipped it here. Not too sure, so let's go ahead and bust this thing open. Well, at least there's a lot of packaging, so that's good. All right. The corner is a little messed up. Yeah, that's actually really annoying. Luckily this will be like the forward edge, so at least it's not going to be showing. But let me carefully get all this stuff off. Alrighty. So it actually looks pretty legit. Yeah, there's some really bad kind of nicks and dings like right here. There's a little bit of overspray on the clear coats. There are no holes drilled in it. So that's something that they said was gonna be like, there's gonna be like holes like throughout. So it looks like I'm gonna have to drill new holes and be able to get this thing mounted. Not sure why there's tape on here, but now there's tape residue. So I'm gonna have to try to get all that cleaned off first. So like I said, I wasn't hoping for much. This actually looks a lot nicer, seeing that it is from China and not Taiwan, which I usually get carbon fiber from. This leading edge is a little raw. It does look like it's maybe like fiberglass then wrapped with carbon fiber, which is perfectly fine to me. Like, it's not a big deal. But I feel like this is gonna look a lot better here on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the thing prepped and clean. Let me show you guys that edge right there. I don't know if you can really see it, where it's completely scraped away at the clear coat. So that was kind of exposed out of the bubble wrap and jammed into the edge of the box. The other corner is just nicked up a little bit, not too bad, but the things I'm worried about is like the back edge, and looking at the back edge of all of this, it actually looks pretty good. So I'm not really concerned about any of that. Yeah, I actually think it looks pretty good. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to get all that residue cleaned off of here and whatnot. And I don't know if you guys can kind of see like that weave of the carbon fiber. It's not too bad. Like, it's actually a bit better than I expected. So, but honestly, I just wanted gloss black and have a nice hard surface. So this is gonna look a lot better than before. So yeah, having that right there is gonna look pretty cool. So here's a side-by-side of the before and after. So you can kind of see like this is like a dense rubber, and obviously this is carbon fiber. I am gonna have to drill holes. I'm gonna pretty much make it the exact same positioning that I had it before. I just kind of came up with a solution, and then I did put a center one right up there because the way it sits, there's not a good place for it to go. So I literally, you can kind of see it right under there, that one single hole. But honestly, these don't even like fit the car. So that's one of the things that online, if you look these up, it says they're made for this exact type of car with this rear end. In reality, they don't really like fit. So let me take this new carbon fiber one and let me hold it up, and I'll show you that you kind of have to figure it out, because I mean, where does it go? It just kind of sits up in here, and then it just kind of, Actually, this does fit a little bit better than that rubber one. So I am kind of happy about that, but it does look good across the back there, but it doesn't really like fit anywhere, and it doesn't sit up. Like, it's just kind of really weird. So you kind of have to like figure it out. So I put that screw up through the middle here. I don't know how I'm going to do that because I do have this extra layer. So I'm going to have to go through 2 layers of the carbon fiber. And it almost looks like they made like some mounting points right there, but that's not going to sit. I mean, in theory, that could sit like that, but then now you have this giant hole, and then this sticks out like really far too. And I really don't want that, but it's kind of weird. So I'm going to slide it kind of up and under like this, have it kind of sit where it just barely sticks out, and then kind of figure out how to mount it up underneath. All right, so I did skip a lot of the process just because I was trying to figure it out, because this doesn't really fit very well. Also, ignore how dirty the car is. It just keeps raining every time I try to do a video. But I did end up putting a screw right through there, which does kind of look ugly on the outside, but I really don't care. I put one on the leading edge right there, and then I have one like in the middle on the 3 middle sections, and then the other outside section, there's another screw right up there. So there's 5 screws on the leading edge, and then that one right there in the back. Without that one, the whole back would just be like floppy. So I'm not sure how people actually rig this up. I have no idea. Originally, I thought this was supposed to fit over this vent, but when holding it up, it doesn't line up with that either. So I'm not really sure how the intended purpose of this was supposed to be, but I think it looks really good with the carbon fiber. And then I'm about to go ahead and start lining the fins and the outer edge with vinyl. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll catch back up with you guys in a few minutes. And just like that, we finished up, and here it is. I think this looks absolutely amazing. And I didn't have the vinyl go all the way up and connect just because it does like smooth out right across there. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this, especially with the vinyl on it. But other than the vinyl, I still think it looks pretty good. Also, while we're down here, if you guys want to pick up one of these muffler delete exhaust, there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can pick it up on Amazon. It's super dirty, but very quick and easy to do, and makes the car sound so good, but not overwhelming. I do have a video on that, so definitely go check that out. But this diffuser looks absolutely incredible, especially with the vinyl on it. Man, I absolutely love this look. And then whenever you kind of come back a little bit, it looks really good. And then even if I come back a lot further, it's kind of hard to see with the lighting and whatnot, but I still think it looks absolutely amazing. In person, it looks a lot better than what's showing up on camera. And it's definitely a lot better than this one, especially since this is just like floppy rubber. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, it's on eBay. If you guys find one that's like this style and it's black, it's going to be this rubber. If you find the carbon fiber one, it's actually fiberglass layered with carbon fiber. It's not bad at all. I actually think it's a lot nicer than what I expected. So yeah, if you guys want to do that and then pick up some vinyl and whatnot, you can make it match your whole wrap and looks absolutely amazing. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this, and if it helped you guys out, definitely let me know. Like I said, I did mention there's a lot of links in the description down below, so definitely go check out all those other parts that like I've done to my Lexus IS. Also, like this diffuser, I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, so I wanted to try it for you guys. So if you guys like how this turned out, then absolutely go pick it up, and it's honestly not that expensive. If you guys want to save your money and just do something else or not even do a diffuser at all, more than welcome to. But if you guys like this video, hit that like button down below. There's going to be a lot more to come, so definitely subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching.